Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on this three bars icon. If you've got the gestures set, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here, and you will be able to see the list of previously opened apps. If you want to remove, close only one of it, just find it, for example the gallery, and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to remove all of them, just tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter to check. And as you can see, we've got no recently used apps, so it means that we just successfully removed all of them. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off background apps in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.